Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. 100,000 followers on X, which is amazing. Thank you all for following. Thank you for the beautiful journey. 4 years. I've been posting on X actually since 2009, so a very long time, which is amazing. Helped a lot of people into crypto, which is also very good. I remember first talking about crypto at $100. Now we're at 100,000 and my followers is 100,000. Quite funny. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We'll jump into Bitcoin and 89,000 on X. We'll jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, technical analysis, my trades. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Going to technicals, my account 1178, which is beautiful. All-time high for the account. Many reasons why, if you know. If you've been following, I was buying Bitcoin at the dips pretty well, actually. I built a very nice position. 7 Bitcoin, $74,000 in the profits, and the funding fee is only 0.01. So it's actually on the minimum of the funding fees. Ethereum getting a big bounce back, which is beautiful. My Ethereum trade, both of these trades are quite big. Bitcoin's for Ethereum 464,600, so it's $1 million of trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is beautiful. I've also got these spot positions. WorldCoin has been pumping today, 16%. And if you saw my buys on WorldCoin yesterday, look at that, guys. Another art piece for my, wow, look at that. Yesterday we were buying it at $1.70, $1.80, now $2.20. That amount that I bought now is sitting at 100K. Look at that, it just flipped over to 100, which is beautiful. 17%, big congratulations. MCRT also up. These are what I hold and trading. You need to do your own. Solana up 8%. I got Solana to buy Doge down a little bit. I got Solana to buy the Trump coin when it was $9. If you remember, now Trump is at $42. I sold all of mine at around 50 something. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin. I want to know now I still think we're very bullish right now. Trump is in power. They're doing everything. They released Ross today. So the story of Ross is, guys, many years ago in the beginning of Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was a few dollars, there was a website called the Silk Road. You could go into it using Tor browser, which was a secure network. You can go into this website and you could buy weed and anything. It was a decentralized website that used Bitcoin, which was back then was untraceable. So you could buy things with Bitcoin online and people used it for criminal purposes. And the creator of that, Ross Ulbricht, went to jail for 2 consecutive life sentences. Forever in jail. He's been in there 12 years. But why he went to jail? Because he was one of the first Bitcoin entrepreneurs, the first one using this technology. And if you were in the early days of crypto, the governments, the companies, the banks, they were not nice. They attacked crypto everywhere. They tried to put him in prison, a lot of people. It was very brutal. Only now the government's starting to realize, we've been talking about this for many years, but only now do they realize the power of this cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and the technology. And America's starting to embrace it with Trump and Elon Musk. But for many years, people were persecuted because they used Bitcoin. Ross Ulbricht is one of the biggest ones. He was a young boy that built a website, made a Bitcoin website. He made 16,000 Bitcoin or something like his value of Bitcoin that the US government took for him, 220,000 Bitcoin, is now worth 16 billion. And Donald Trump just released him from prison. He just pardoned him because it was unjust what happened to him. He just built a website and people used it for crime. They used it for everything. People were selling anything on there. Some people bought things and did crime, so he was blamed for it. But really, it was to steal his 220,000 Bitcoin, which is $16 billion now. And Donald Trump, a great, great man and an amazing person with Elon Musk, pardoned Ross. So 12 years he was in prison, and a lot of the Bitcoin community, the OGs, were trying to get him out for a long time and promoting him a lot. So it's beautiful, beautiful news. Let's go back into Bitcoin technicals. And world is up 5%. A lot of pumping in the market, which is very nice. Doge, the only thing kind of down. World up 5%. We're getting a big bounce. It was in my video earlier today and yesterday, actually, I bought a lot. So that's good. Bitcoin 105,300. On the weekly charts, cup and handle formation. We're in the third to fourth. We've had the third to fourth corrective, fourth to fifth final wave. Volume is still strong. We have big volume. We had an all-time high volume spike about 2 days ago. Stochastic is okay. There is a W formation. There does look like a bull flag, and there is high volume. It looks like I see some pattern. You see, guys? Who sees it? It's a bullish pennant. Who sees the bullish pennant? Let me know in the comment section if you saw it before I said it. Bullish pennant. Who knows this pattern is this? So this is the pattern of a bullish pennant. You have the pole, and then you have a triangle, and a symmetrical triangle. That's not really symmetrical, but you get what I'm trying to draw. This one. It's bullish pennant. So that's good news. So, but we can still get a pullback. You can clearly see that it can come down to this support here. So 101 is very possible for Bitcoin before we break out of this bullish pennant. The target of the breakout is the base of the move. So this distance here will be how far we come out of this bullish pennant. It's going to get spooky, but if it pulls to 101, it should be very bullish right now with the news that's coming out. So if it does start to pull back a lot, that's not good news. It means it's quite, if it's so much good news, like Michael Saylor bought $1 billion, if that news is not moving Bitcoin, it's worrisome. So this is the target I would open, 101,700, stop loss 100,145, risking 1,500 per Bitcoin to make 28,000. 10x leverage would be 280,000. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin pullback to 101. We might get a little bull flag. On the hourly, you can see there is a slight bull flag forming here. So we might get a pump out of this actually. Looks like a bull flag. Everyone see it? I think Bitcoin is about to have a pump. Little bull flag formed here. The base of the flag, this distance here, the same kind of one that I drew on the bigger time frame. So target of this bull flag breakout is 112. New all-time high, 110,000 for Bitcoin. New all-time high target for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. 110,000. It looks like Bitcoin is about to break out, which is awesome. So you could take a riskier trade with a tighter stop loss, but it is quite risky. If it's either going to break out and activate, or it's going to hit stop loss and close out the trade. Very tight stop loss, opening 10528, stop loss 104493, and then take profit. I would take it to the new all-time high, 110,000. This trade is 10 risk toward 535 Bitcoin to make 5,498. 10x leverage 54,000. Let's go into Ethereum. 3,300, and I'm going to quickly check Tesla. So Ethereum, it looks like also ready. Around Bitcoin and Ethereum look ready to go. It's building pressure with big volume, and it's being held down here, but it does look like this big descending triangle is ready to break out, and this bigger symmetrical triangle, target is 7,400. Ethereum and Bitcoin look very ready to go right now, which is good news. Tesla pulling back 1% in pre-market. Double top around 439, but we actually broke through. All-time high on Tesla was 488. 488 all-time high on Tesla, and it does look like it's pulling back a little bit, but this symmetrical triangle that broke out as the same one that you saw on Ethereum just now, the target is 600. So I added back into Tesla around 50% of my position. I want to buy more on a pullback, but it doesn't seem it's climbing. Let's see if there's any pattern. 4 hourly. Any pattern here that looks amazing. Symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle. Everyone see it? Continuation pattern. Base of the distance of this, I would say the move has been within this triangle, so I would say here. So if we get a breakout, Tesla is about to pump. Target 4544. I'm going to buy more into Tesla, which is beautiful. Also, join us in Telegram. There's 873 of you online. Congratulations. Thank you. Oh, by the way, everyone, I just hit 100,000 followers on X, which is thank you all so much. 100,000 followers on X. I've been here since 2009, March 2009. An important date in the big, incredible news pattern. 100,000 followers. Thank you, everyone. Amazing journey, which is so cool. Thank you, everyone. And yesterday, 800 million of Bitcoin was purchased. And if you see during the week, it's been almost 4 days of continuous buying of Bitcoin, plus like the ETFs buying. 3 people to win $100 each. I'm giving $100 away to 3 lucky winners. Comment on the quoted post below. Tag 3 friends. Follow everyone on list below. Winners will be chosen in the video. Better get. So this guy said, roommate put $500 in Robinhood and started watching Fox Business like Warren Buffett. I said, better get him watching Real News Investors. All of these guys are rich. All of these guys are geniuses and make really crazy money. If you followed them, if you're following their journey, they've been telling you to buy Bitcoin for years and years while everyone made fun of them. They were telling you to buy crypto when everyone was laughing at them and calling them scammers and shit like these. These guys have been here the whole time, buying Bitcoin and changing hundreds of thousands of people's lives while people call them scammers and that they're and they're showing bullshit. Now the whole world sees that Bitcoin is real. This guy told you all to buy Bitcoin at $1. Didi's he sold all his stuff and moved around the world with his family, if you guys remember. So follow these guys, amazing people, and I'm going to choose a winner, the most liked comment on this post, and I'm going to pick 2 more winners after this for 100. Yeah, Guru, they're all traders in terms of financial markets, but in terms of trading performance, you are still the best. I'm following you for the sake of Guru, though. By the way, when you have Guru as mentor, you can have changed your life already. Thank you, Crypto Wizard. Congratulations, you win $100. I'll pick 2 more winners in the next videos. Everyone, which is beautiful. Thank you all for the 100k followers. All the links are down below under the video. Bybit 60k bonus, main exchange for trading. Weex $200 sign up bonus. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the Telegram, which is free. There's no other paid Telegram. It's a free Telegram, and the courses which are paid. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.